help me!
I'm right behind you! Don't be afraid!
Follow that red shirt! We can't lose him in the fog! It's so cold! The spider is taking over! What's this? A glowing purple grape hiding in the dust? It smells like blueberries and magic! I'm so hungry! Gulp! That was a crunchy snack. But why is my stomach buzzing?
Kobe? Why is your red shirt glowing? What did you eat?
I feel funny, Dad. Like there's a thunderstorm in my tummy. Help! I have too many legs! They're moving by themselves!
Hold on, son! Don't let go of the furniture!
I can't stop! I'm a spider cat! Woohoo! Please come down! You're going to break the chandelier!
I'm not Kobe anymore. I'm the webmaster.
Max, to the rescue! I'm coming for you, Kobe!
You've eaten the Star Weaver, little one. Your journey will be long. Can you help me, Owl? Or are you a snack, too? Do not be rude. The curse is talking, not the kitten. Stop right there! We can fix this with a bath and some milk. Milk is for babies. I want magical energy. Look at me! I'm the king of the world!
Dispatch! We have a flying red shirt kitten on the loose. All units, move!
Wait, my fur! It's changing! Dad, help me!
I'm right behind you! Don't be afraid!
Follow that red shirt! We can't lose him in the fog! It's so cold! The spider is taking over! Fruit!
Hey! That's $3! Rude beast!
Put it on my tab, Mr. Goat!
Halt! You're under arrest for fruit theft! A net? It's just string, and I eat string! My boots! I'm stuck! Get the scissors!
Kobe, stop! This isn't you!
Kobe is gone! I am the Midnight Gobbler! Fish and magic! The perfect combo!
Kobe! Look! Your favorite herb! Calm down!
Catnip is for kittens! I want ice cream! 20 scoops of chocolate, heavy on the sprinkles!
Just take the sundae! Don't eat the shop!
Brain freeze! The curse hates brain freeze!
Dad, my head hurts. Everything is spinning.
That's it, son. Come to me. Let's go home. The boy belongs to the web now! Over my dead body, you creepy crawly. It's a trap! Get back!
No! Dad, help! He's got my tail!
I won't let go! Bella, help!
Get your legs off mine. He is taken to the crystal cave. We must move.
Lead the way, Luna. I'll cross oceans to find him.
Take this. Call for backup when you find him. Good luck, Max.
My paws are blocks of ice.
The cave is close. I sense the magic and the scent of a red cotton
Halt! No entry! This lair is reserved for nightmares only! Easy, little guy. We're looking for a kitten in a red t-shirt. Seen him?
He's in there. But he's no kitten anymore. He's a behemoth devouring the glowing stones. She like rock candy. I feel the power surging.
Kobe, stop eating the scenery. It's time for dinner, at home.
Go away, Dad! The king says I am the Prince of Shadows now!
Behold your legacy. He is perfect. He is eternal.
He's a kitten. He needs a nap and a scratching post, not a kingdom. Take that, you dusty old bug!
Your feline spite is useless here.
I feel so huge.
The antidote. The golden flower at the web's heart. You must seize it.
I'm going in. Bella, keep his eyes on you.
Hey, Spider King! Look at this form! Don't you want to catch the pretty kitty?
Come back here, you insufferable feline!
Why is Mom dancing? Why is Dad jumping? My brain, it itches!
And that?
And this! Fear the brave bunny!
N.O. The flower of light. Relinquish it.
Kobe, catch! The final snack, I promise!
It smells like sunshine and Mom's hugs. Ouch! My tummy feels like a roller coaster.
My baby! You're you again. A bit tattered, but you're back.
Sorry I ate the purple bug, Mom. It tasted terrible anyway. I'll be back. Next time, I'm picking a dog.
Not on my watch, pal. Shoo! And stay out! We're a spider-free family now!
Is the monster gone?
Can I have a hug too?
Come here, Barnaby. You're the bravest bunny ever.
You have done well. The Star Weaver's curse is broken forever. The hero returns! The city has a parade waiting!
A parade? Do they have fish sandwiches?
Only the best for the web breaker.
Look, Mom! Everyone is waving at my red shirt! That's because you're a very special kitten, Kobe.
On the house, kid. Just don't eat the whole stand this time.
Thanks, Mr. Goat. I'll share it with Barnaby.
This is way better than magic crystals.
good as new. No more holes for spider legs.
Thanks, Mom. Feels much better without the extra limbs.
Tell me the truth. Was the ice cream at least good?
It was amazing, Dad. But having you rescue me is even better.
I'm so sleepy.
Saving the world is hard work.
Sleep well, little Weaver. The stars are safe tonight.
Meow! Get the butterfly. No purple ones, just yellow. Sweet dreams, my brave little kitten.
Rest. Rescue. Ever.
And so, Kobe learned that some snacks are better left alone.
But the ice cream was totally worth it.